Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start page numbering from a specific page in Google Docs. This is useful when you have a title page, table of contents, or other introductory pages that you don't want to include in your page numbering. So let's get started. First, open Google Docs on your computer. Open the document where you want to add page numbers. Next, place your cursor at the beginning of the page where you want the numbering to start. Click Insert at the top of the page. Then select Break and choose Section Break Next Page. This will create a new section starting from that page. Now click anywhere in the new section. Go to Insert, select Page Numbers, and choose the page number position you want. Next, double-click the header or footer where the page number appears. Look for the Link to Previous option and turn it off. This separates the header or footer from the previous section. Now go back to the page number and choose Options. Select Page Numbers. Under Apply To, choose this section. Then set the starting number you want, such as 1, and click Apply. The page numbering will now begin from the specific page you selected. The pages before that section can remain without page numbers. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to start page numbering from a specific page in Google Docs. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Docs tips, productivity tutorials, and helpful guides. See you in the next video.